Yo, this no need no introduction. No, don't see what go on in the thumbnail and the caption already say, yo, we now waste no time. Who remember when Movado and Cartel did a war and Movado drop a song and in the song him just say, yo, watch out now, kill them without a chorus. Who remember that? Yo, this a how Silkboss kick it off.
I want you in a head and shoot me in my foot. Silkboss.
Everybody must know that infamous interview there with Jahshii do with Anthony Miller for Entertainment Report. And you could hear Jahshii say, yo, and one did in the head and me shot myself in my foot. And hear Silkboss in the background and I say, yo, see I hear that you don't see him shot himself. Basically the same thing with Intense use pan Jahshii at some fest. Why may I tell you? Jahshii, you set up yourself. That's why them tell you see now this music thing. Have to be careful at things where you do and where you say, because your opponent them use it as them advantage, especially when you not go in a lyrical battle.
Have a clip, talk if you talk no shit. Cause if Trashy run up me and show that little boy how that me be.
The man say talk if you talk and not talk no shit. Cause if Trashy run up, me I go show them boy how that me be. The fact of the matter is we know say Silkboss dark. Him sure say him that just by how the man behave for him life when the people them little pressure him about him care. You see say them man they dark. Yeah, in the Jamaican terms when people say you're dark, they no mean color, you know. Them just say yo watch out. Be careful of them man. And basically the same thing Silkboss I tell Jahshii say if you think you're bad, run up in a me and you go see how dark maybe.
Like a bolt.
Yo, Silkboss, that one ya bad. This ya boy ya runner. Like a bolt in power with your brother. You see, and Bolt is the fastest human being, both dead or alive. The man have the world record for the 100 and the 200. And Silkboss I say, yo, look how long me drop me song Facts. And I know Jahshii no respond. So guess what? And most you see in Bolt him a parade making him so fast cause I run him a running just a run up and down. And that everybody I say. Jahshii run up and down. So right now, as me say, the same thing them when Jahshii do and say are the same thing people are use against him and him opponents are using against him. And Jahshii pick fight to the man. Now the fight start, him a run up and down.
Use the rifle, pierce him forward. Gonna ship from Ghana and Guadeloupe.
The man say, yo, we use the gun and pierce him forehead. Bunky does gonna ship from Ghana and Guadeloupe. We all know Jamaica have this gun for whatever trade with Haiti and people always attack about it. But guess what? Silkboss go Guadeloupe, Silkboss go Ghana. So you know say the machine that what him a bring in. And not normal. And not like some old rusty thing where you them a send with some weed to get it. The man thing them a forward from Ghana. And yo, Silkboss, this song bad. Me just do a live stream and in it me I say, yo, your first song did weak, but right now, you redeem yourself, big boss. You redeem yourself. Right now, big up yourself.
Shot in I'm blood clot head, make him marrow jump out, drop in I'm mother pata soup. Hey, Trashy, love we.
Marrow jump out, drop where? Hold on there. So Jahshii, where your mother cook soup? Marrow jump out, drop in I'm mother soup. Yo, Jaja. The man say, yo, shot him in the head, make him marrow jump out, drop in your mother soup. You know, say if that drop in your mother soup, you know, that will last in there, you know. Because you don't know how we Jamaican cook soup already, you know, especially when certain meat in there you can't get none, you know, because it boil out, you know, and we are your marrow soft. By the time you're done, by the time your mother don't cook my you, them not even know, see your marrow jump out. Jahshii, you have to respond to this one, Jahshii. You have to respond. You're left with absolutely no choice. We know see you bad, but if you don't respond, you will forever be branded as a coward. Just like how people have popcorn as a coward right now. So make up your mind what you do. Some face did the bigger picture, some face gone. What is your excuse now? You must respond. We don't want to hear from Dan Pre, you will want to hear from.
No, we why buy a track soon. Here say you did fast when you're in a school. Alright, hold this, go at.
The man say, yo, load the war, will a track suit. Me hear see you did fast when you're in a high school. And we all know, Jahshii used to play football. And most footballer fast. We cannot deny that. Most footballer can go run left with Tracksman them. But we all know, them afraid of the training. So them low it out. But Silkboss I say, watch you know. Since you did fast when you're in a high school, will a track suit, go on a training. Who knows, maybe Silkboss, maybe Jahshii would have their world championship what year run for Jamaica. Who knows, some might as well him just take Silkboss advice since him a run up and down. So, buy some tracksuit, buy some track shoes, some spikes, and go do some training. Cause boy, you're fast like plane.
Gun clown, they are son face a send chat. Head a slice off like bread back. Oh,
The boy they are some face a send threat. Head a slice off like bread back. Yo, Jahshii, it look like Silkboss dismantle you. Another one yeah. I just say shoot me attack. Dismantle you.
anti mad. Your friend some breed, your baby mad. This a boy I run.
Why? Well, Andy, your friend soon breed your baby mother. Jahshii, if you not explain nothing, even if you don't respond in a song, you need to post on your Instagram story or something. You need to address this because now the first song, the man say your friend and not your baby mother. Now we come back and take a step further. Say your friend soon breed your baby mother. Jahshii, you need to explain that. Keep your this song, keep it for yourself, but put out something now on your Instagram story and make we know what's the issue with your friend and your baby mother. The fans them need to know that, and we need to know that. So you have to address it.
I want big fire Trashy from the crap nation. You see cokehead cut off pay fibble dibble.
Yo, stop right there, so. First thing first, what the cokehead? Him say big farid Trashy. Cause all along him no say Jahshii, him say Trashy. Cause you don't know this thing. Who are the cokehead? Who are the cokehead? Him say the cokehead cut him off. Me not understand. We all know say our Jahshii and Skeng no good again. We need answers to this because it obvious if you say the cokehead cut him off, it obviously a Skeng attack. Cause everybody have Skeng as the Mali youth, the crackhead, the whatever the case may be. And Skeng and Jahshii are like so. So if you forward out and say yo, big farid Trashy, the cokehead cut you off, then who knows? Have to be Skeng him attack. So Jahshii, you have to respond to that one. Silkboss, that track you tough. Tell me I tell you about that. You take back the lead in the war. That track you tough. The first one did weak, but you redeem yourself. And I like how you do it. You give him time. You not just a drop song back a song. You drop your song, you give him enough time for him to respond. You don't see him respond. So you, guess what? You take it up in your own hand and decide, you watch now. Let me just kill the fool and done, just bury him and done. And the right thing you do. And Jahshii, you must answer. We don't want to hear from Dan Pre. We hear Dan Pre already. This is a warrior of him. It's bigger than him. So you need to step up to the pace, run in, and make we know why you're depend. Anyway, people, welcome to Line TV. If this is your first time, please remember, subscribe. Click that notification. You just feel weird if you do the intro at the end of the video, but me never have no choice because that's on your act and we did definitely have to get tonight. But as me say, fun and joke aside, if you're your first time this, just please subscribe. If this is not your first time, then leave a like, leave a comment. Just, in fact, you don't have to say nothing. Just drop some fire in the comment section if you agree with me say that track bad. Bless up.